Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Here we are into Thursday, Wednesday night into Thursday already. That is July 2nd, 2026. Please remember how risky trading is. Risky, risky, risky. Never trade without stops. This is for trading on Thursday. I know we've got Friday off and then the 4th of July holiday. We'll talk about that in tomorrow night's video, but we're trading Thursday because there's a reason for it. Now, let me show you what's going on. We're not trading Thursday, E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, Russ. I call pause. Pause. No way. When we were down here, I gave the buy signal. And we went all the way up to here. I'm calling pause. That's that because it's the day before a holiday. Look where it is. It's right there at the top, right? Look at that. Let's just call pause for a day. That'd be insane. There are other markets I like out there, but we have to stay away. And pause, timeout. Not trading ES, NASDAQ, or Russ on Thursday. But look at some other stuff out there. This is insane. Let's see. We're going to go to 5. Look at Crude. Look at this thing starting to go. It hit the Omni 70-50 target. We've got new targets of 67 to 66 and a half, then 61 and a half. I think you see this target 67 to 66 and a half easily tomorrow, and maybe some lower. So it looks like since the door opened after the knock, 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 all those knock times on that average, which usually keeps the market up, it finally broke. The door opened. The Omni target has been seen so far. Next targets are there. Crude going lower should help the stock market next week when we get back from the 4th of July weekend. So you can't complain about that, right? Then what else do we have out there? Look at this. Traders, did I tell you to get that Omni Phoenix new highs again all day today into this afternoon? Viva la Omni Phoenix. Fantastic. Get your Omni Phoenix. It's still cheap. Buy it at Coinbase, on Phantom Wallet, at Pump.fun, on most exchanges. But I implore you, go out and get the Omni Phoenix. There's a whole group of us Omniacs around this planet. I have been speaking to Omniacs and sending them trade recommendations since fax machine in the early 80s, all the way up until the internet came out. Then I was able to send it via email and over the internet, and I've been sending recommendations to traders around this planet for decades. There are a lot of us. We're called Omniacs, and they love this Omni token, and so should you. And I'll tell you right now, as I told you in last night's video, something is decoupling from the other cryptos, and that something is this. Bitcoin seems to be decoupling from cryptos. Bitcoin, ever since hitting its 126 Omni target, which was an amazing call, head and shoulders into a big bear flag. That drops into a bigger bear flag. That drops into bouncing off the lows from that bear flag. Look at this. Now it's boom, where that last bear flag landed and created itself. Test, 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 test. How many times do we need to knock on that door? And a bear flag. I say I'd much rather be in something like this going in the proper direction than to be stuck in this guy, which I am not in anymore. As I told you, I've gotten out of that. I'm out of my Bitcoin. Oh, and I trade all the other stuff, but this is smarter to me. I am using only technical analysis. I've got losses short. Smart token right now. Great community token. see right into the trading room, anything at all. He's just being nice. He's learning how to run this business. So if